Hey guys, I'm just doing a quick little video here responding to a question that a user had on one of my other videos. They had said that when they were using the research product tool on Alura, every time they type in an item, it comes with zero results. So I'm just going to walk through this. As you can see here, there is a little new icon over here with the research. They have done some changes with the product research tool. Alura is working on a new platform. I have not used this yet. I have been selected for beta, but it is just in beta mode. So I'm not really worrying about that until they work out all of the kinks. And then when that happens, I'll go through and try and figure everything out and can try and update you guys as well. But today I just want to talk through this issue that a different user was having. So on the product research, tool here, what was happening was she would put in her keyword and nothing would show up. So we're just going to try this. We're going to do octopus baby blanket. Let's just see what comes up. So here I pressed enter and it shows zero products. Okay, so this is the same thing that was happening to the user commenting. If I click search down here though, so I'm not changing anything else, I'm not retyping over here, it says octopus baby blanket. I don't have any other filters going or categories. I do have it on all products, not popular products. And then I hit search. Now everything's popping up. So now you can see all of these octopus baby blankets and you can sort them. So you can sort by monthly sales. So you can see which one's selling most often this month. You can sort by total sales, so which one has sold most overall. Although that one here, it's only had 7 monthly sales, but it's had the most sales overall. And then monthly revenue, total revenue, and reviews. So you can look at it that way. Relevance is the default, so that's just a good way to show kind of things that pop up and might fit your criteria better. This over here is just a different way to view it. So if you go to this, the one with the multiple lines, you can see all of the different tabs here. So I think I've talked about this before, but you can toggle through like monthly sales top to bottom. If you want to switch to a different filter method, you have to click this back to neutral first so it shows both the up arrow and the down arrow. And then you can go to like overall sales total. Okay. You can also filter by revenue here. You can even change what columns are available. So you can click on the columns part and then just change which things you see. So if you don't really care in your research about the shop name or what category it's listed under, then you can just hide those. But you want to see like, oh, I want higher conversion rates. Like that might be a good tool to look at, or something that's personalizable. So if you're trying to get ideas for things, that might work well for you. Okay. You can change the order of that as well. So here you can't see all of them. I do have a Mac, so I can use my tab to scroll right and left. But I know when I was using a Windows device, I wasn't able to do that. So I was struggling with that. But how I worked around was just by changing the order. So I put the things that I wanted most, like overall revenue. I didn't really care about listing quality score, but conversion rate was really important. And then how often it was selling each month and the price point that each item was listed at. Those might be my key factors. So now if I just have 4 of them, I can see. Another workaround for that, if you're on a Windows device and you can't scroll left or right easily, you can actually change the zoom. So if you zoom out a little bit on the window as an overall, you can see more items. So those are little tricks for you. Okay, so the key here is making sure that you're on all products, not popular products. So even though it says 100 million plus and this one says 1 million, that's not fully accurate. So if you switch back to popular products, you're not going to see anything because for this specific item, nothing is being deemed as popular. Okay, so keep it on all products. This is a little bit goofy right now. Hopefully, Alura fixes up their search tools here. I can definitely send them a message to let them know what's going on because this has been a problem consistently for a couple of weeks now. Um, but just if you need to, like here, it's not updating again, just X out and start over. And then make sure that you're clicked on all products and then press that search again. Hopefully that solves the issues. If you need to, I'm going to show you one other option. This is not Alura based, but from Etsy, if you're going to go on here, I'm going to search for the same thing. So octopus baby blanket. What you can do here is go to show filters, then click down on Etsy's best and click star seller. Now up here, this is going to show you on this and this page only items that are from star sellers. That's not actually what we're looking for. So what I'm going to do is change up here in the URL. I'm going to change star to best. So now this is going to show me best sellers for octopus baby blanket. Obviously, some of these are not octopus. They might be blankets that I've seen before, so it's showing me them again. But that is going to give you some good indicators for your research. So we saw this one pop up earlier, but that is a good way to look for best sellers. So might not be quite as specific as what you would find in Alura, but if you're just doing research on different blanket ideas that sell well, that might be a good way to go as well. All right, so that is a wrap for today. Clearly, I am not fully healthy here. I'm recovering from a cold, so I'm gonna keep it to a short video today. Won't make you guys look at my face or anything either, but hopefully that helps with the Alura research function. Again, that's from the dashboard. You go to research and then the product research that is updated there. So again, thank you for the question. I hope that's super helpful for you guys. Go ahead and let me know if there's other stuff that you'd like to see in the future. Hopefully I will get some new videos up for you soon once I'm feeling a little bit better. So you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and we'll see you later. Bye.